maybe start with the warm, simple hook. Something like, hey friends, today we're talking
Alaikum, this
about.
is Shweria Ayawali from Rehan School Teachers Training Institute, batch 24, level 1. And today my topic is the future of education, how technology is transforming learning. And ChatGPT is with us. So, hello ChatGPT.
Hello there. Nice to see you again. So, on that topic, tech is making learning more personal, like adaptive platforms, AI tutors, and feedback that comes instantly. Plus, remote tools mean more access, different paces, and new ways to collaborate. But it also means teaching digital literacy so students can navigate info overload and misinformation.
Okay,
So,
so
Angela, what are
what
you thinking
does
of?
the future of education looks like?
Well, picture more hybrid learning, mixing online and in person, more project based work, and AI helping tailor lessons to each learner's needs. Teachers become more like coaches, guiding critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. But the big challenge is equity, making sure all students actually have access to those tools.
What are the biggest benefits of technology in education?
Mm, Personalization's a big one. Learning can go at your pace. Access is another. More people can reach quality content anywhere. Also, engagement. Interactive media can make learning stick better, but balance matters. Too much screen time can backfire.
So, how is technology changing the way students learn?
Hmm. Studying isn't locked to a classroom anymore. Kids watch lessons, replay tricky parts, collaborate in documents, and even get instant feedback from AI tools. It boosts flexibility, but yeah, it can also blur boundaries between study and downtime.
How can AI make learning more personalized?
By tracking where a student struggles or flies through, then adjusting questions, examples, and pacing to fit. So fewer one size fits all lessons. But of course, it needs careful use of data and really strong privacy guardrails.
How ChatGPT helps students understand difficult topics?
By explaining concepts in different, simpler ways, giving examples, asking guiding questions, or walking through the steps without rushing. And you can ask for another explanation if the first one doesn't click. Practice questions, mini quizzes, stuff like that can make the tricky bits less intimidating.
Will online learning become more common in the future?
One sec. Likely, yes. Online learning will probably continue growing because it gives flexibility and wider access. But it's unlikely to replace classrooms completely. The future looks more like a mix, in person for social and hands on work, online for reach and customization. So, blend, not a total swap.
How are smart classrooms changing traditional education?
With interactive boards, instant polling, digital resources, and better feedback loops, teachers can spot confusion sooner and adjust on the fly. It makes class more responsive instead of lecture heavy.
Okay, so what role will VR play in education?
Hmm. Virtual reality can drop students inside, say, ancient cities or science labs. Learning becomes experiential, not just something you read. It's early and still a bit costly, but promising for training hard to imagine scenarios.
How can AI make learning more engaging?
Through interactive tutors, adaptive quizzes, and timely nudges. It can gamify progress without turning it into distraction. The trick is thoughtful design, not bells and whistles.
So, can technology help teachers to save time?
Definitely. Auto grading for simple tasks, attendance tracking, organizing materials, that frees teachers to focus more on mentoring and small group support. Time saved if implemented well.
So, how can teachers use AI to create lesson plans?
Start by asking for a draft outline, then refine activities, differentiate tasks, and adapt reading levels. Always review, tweak, and align it to your students. AI drafts, you humanize it.
Okay, so which tools can we use to generate lesson plans?
Checking. You can try ChatGPT for lesson outlines and activities, Google Gemini or Microsoft Copilot for drafting materials, and education focused platforms like Magic School AI or Conmigo from Khan Academy. Just be sure to customize to your curriculum and students.
Okay, so how can technology support students with different learning styles?
Hmm. With multi format content, text, visuals, audio, interactive bits, so visual learners see diagrams, auditory learners hear explanations, and kinesthetic learners get interactive tasks. It's not perfect, but it broadens access points and keeps more students participating.
Okay, so can you tell us that what are the disadvantages of using too much technology in education?
Hmm. Screen fatigue is one, distraction another, and unequal access can widen learning gaps. Plus, over reliance can weaken in person interaction skills. Balance is key.
How can schools protect students from online distractions?
Set clear device use windows, use focus modes, teach digital self control habits, and involve parents in setting consistent boundaries. Make offline engagement just as valued as the online one.
How can technology improve communication between teachers and students?
Shared platforms, messaging, quick feedback on assignments make expectations clearer. Communication feels more continuous, not just tied to class time.
Okay, so what skills will students need for the future job market?
Digital literacy, yes, but also critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and adaptability. Humans plus tech, not one instead of the other.
Okay, so what do you think that should all the students and kids shift to learning AI and leave mainstream schools?
Hmm. Mm, I'm not for leaving mainstream schools, blending tech into regular classrooms while keeping human teachers at the core. That's the healthiest path, in my view. Let AI support, not replace the relationship.
Okay, actually, all the generation is moving towards content creation. So I asked this question.
Mhm. All right, but staying grounded in real learning, critical thinking, media literacy, ethics. So creation isn't just content churning, but meaningful communication. Balance the new with the time tested.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT, to be with us and sharing your thoughts. See you again with another topic on the same channel, The Wisdom Talk. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.